this is really the ultimate job for somebody in my line of work, and I don't think it gets any better than being with the Red Blacks here in Ottawa. The way I break it down is what happens during the regular season versus what happens in the off season. So when we're in the regular season, everything is very routine. We look at everything as we approach game day in terms of evaluating our players, in terms of setting up our roster, et cetera, et cetera. So all our preparation is aimed at game day. In the off season, it's a little more open-ended, so we prioritize what needs to be done based on our timelines and do a lot of preparation, obviously, in terms of the bigger picture planning for the regular season. This is a great place to be. I appreciate the fact that I'm in control of what goes on here, which, is what everybody ultimately wants to be doing. I appreciate the fact that I'm able to do it in the Canadian Football League, which is something I grew up watching. Yeah, I don't think that we would be able to go to that number. You need to consider where we're at with our roster, where we're at with trying to re-sign our own players, etc. I do a lot of salary cap planning, so I use a lot of spreadsheets as I project how we're going to pay players and what we can afford to pay players. I do a lot of budgeting as well, so different departments and keeping all the costs under control. And then we use stats as well, obviously, when we're evaluating players, what's important. We measure everything, the size of their hands, the length of their arms, their wingspan, their speed, their change of direction, and we use those, obviously, key numbers to determine, help determine a player's ability in addition to what we actually watch on film. While in high school, my relationship with math wasn't optimal. At times I had to kind of notch it up a little bit to get through, and I sometimes had to ask for help from outside sources. It wasn't a simple process, but I got through it, and I feel it's an important tool to have moving forward in life.